question.
Hello, TV repair. Can you send someone? Oh, thank you.
No, handy TV repair and your service.
Incoming TV is over there.
What seems to be the problem?
Where I
Turned it on?
turn around, no picture, no sound, nothing.
Oh, the sound serious. Let me have a look.
Oh dear.
Well, it's not that, and it's not this. Well, I think I found the problem.
The picture to
Right?
right,
No,
the sound, the to
Then?
then.
no.
Well,
What?
well then.
Then what is it?
You haven't got this plug in.
The plug? Oh
There'll be $87 for the house call.
no. What? $87 you?
Good job!